cold. Mind if I borrow some cough medicine or a cough drop? If you don't, then you will die.
You know what, Taylor? I'm gonna shove it down your throat and take a picture of it and send it to David. Yes.
Katie, come on, I'm serious. I'm getting tired of your attitude. I'm really sick, Katie. Please.
Well, that is just too bad, because my pet turtle ate all of my cough drops, and I bathed in my cough syrup. Yeah.
Well, Katie, I really didn't want to come to this, but I'm gonna have to kill you. Say hello to my knife. His name's Ned. Now he's going straight to your chest.
No! Not my chest!
Wait. Shit, cough drops all along. What a liar.